I'm Hannah from WTI, and if you are looking for a great product to clean your makeup brushes, I highly recommend this makeup brush cleaner from Clean and Fresh. I am always forgetting to clean my makeup brushes, and it is gross. It is not great for your face, it's not great for your makeup, it's not good for your brushes, but get this brush cleaner. It comes in a 2-pack. It also comes with a great little sponge if you have one of those harder to clean brushes, like myself, where I let my foundation build up for way too long on my brush before cleaning it. And every time I use this product, I am amazed with what comes out of my brushes. It is able to get out so many things. I use very, very high pigmented makeup, and it comes out so easily. So quick, so easy to clean your brushes. It's something that's very important to do, and obviously I need to do it a lot more. But this makeup brush cleaner makes it a breeze. So when I do remember to actually clean my brushes, I always reach for this. Your makeup will go on smoother and cleaner if you are cleaning them. So get yourself this makeup brush cleaner from Clean and Fresh. You will not regret it. I absolutely love it. And that is my point of view.